Hey, what's up everyone? It's me Nick here and I'm back with another video. So today we will be reviewing a really cool product. This is the DT78 Smartwatch. Now this smartwatch is not for myself. This is a smartwatch that I'm gifting for my dad and he did indeed loved it. Anyways, let's get going with the video and check out the product itself. Now this watch kinda looks like the Amazfit GTR, the design wise, but yeah, it's okay. Now this watch is not cheap and it's not that expensive as well. It's just in the gray area. It's under $40 and I really love the build quality. The build quality is made from aluminum and silicone straps, which are interchangeable, which I really like. The display on this watch is pretty good as well. It also has that raise to wake feature, which I really like. As you can see, it did turn on when I did that. Like, see? So yeah, it's pretty good and I really like that feature. So yeah, that's pretty convenient. Now this is not the only watch face that you have on this watch. So here I'll go show you a quick clip of me scrolling through other watch faces. There is also a heart rate monitor on this device. And as you can see, we have here some heart rate. We have here the heart rate. We also have here the blood pressure, which really surprised me. Now take note that this is not FDA certified, so please don't measure and expect that it would be 100% accurate. This will only be at 70 to 80% accurate. So yeah. As you can see, it did give me a measurement of 78/125, and I guess you can only use this for reference. As I said earlier, this watch is also a fitness watch, so it did include 9 sport modes, which I really like, and it is a good inclusion for this watch. And for the price range, you are really getting so much more for the price you're paying. There is also an app called WearFit 2.0. You can download it via Google Play Store, and every detail from your watch will be synced right to the phone. So yeah, it's called WearFit 2.0, and all the information that you will be getting for your watch will be automatically transferred to the phone. Lastly, about the design of this watch, it really looks classy. I really like the elegant design and it looks and feels premium. Now in my opinion, the Halo Solar LS05 looks much more simpler, and I guess the DT78 Smartwatch looks better in my opinion, especially with those two buttons. Those two buttons are very clicky, and I really like the elegant design of this watch. Now, is this smartwatch better than the Halo Solar? It depends on whether or not you like the design of the other. But for me, I really love the design of the DT78 Smartwatch, and they basically have the same features, so you won't really miss out if you get the other product or not. That would be all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.